on to step 2 for installing Sass. If you have the Mac version, just open up a Mac terminal window and type in gem install Sass or sudo gem install Sass. After it's done installing, you can check the Sass version number to make sure it's installed. Since I'm on Windows, I'll go ahead and show the Windows way since it's not more difficult, it's just different. So let's jump over to the browser and enter rubyinstaller.org. So now I'm at rubyinstaller.org. Simply just click download, select the version that suits your system. In my case, I'll go with the latest 64-bit. It's about 8.7 megs. It's downloaded. So unfortunately, my screen capture will not show this, but when you run the Ruby installer, just go ahead and just click next and accept all the default settings. Then it will install. It'll pop up a terminal window, command prompt window, and then it will ask you a couple more questions. Just go ahead and just do default, or you're unsure, and hit enter, and it'll just install the default settings for you. And then I'll join you once you're all done with that. Once you're done installing Ruby, you can go ahead and open up a command prompt and type in ruby-b just to check the version. And if your Ruby installed successfully like mine, then you should see this. Now let's go on to the next step.